show you about the double clutching and stuff.
Yeah.
When I say double clutch, what you're gonna do, this is what they want you to do at the school.
Okay.
And they're doing this because they're lining you up to be a company man.
Right.
And they're trying to save their company trucks, okay? What they're gonna want you to do is push your clutch in, okay? Go into gear. Once it goes into gear, they want you to come up, to drive off, like this. And what they want you to do is clutch, go into neutral, clutch again, go into first.
Right.
Clutch, come into neutral, clutch again, come into second. That's what they want you to do.
That's a lot of
to
work.
Save. Well,
Save-
why would you do that?
Save the tranny.
To save the training. But see, and it's because they don't trust you. But it's killing you. It's beating your knee apart.
Right.
It ain't gonna hurt. It ain't gonna hurt this truck. Now this is just a clutch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just a. Here, we'll do it again. Here, I'll show you. This is just one clutch, obviously. So you're sitting there. You're in first gear. The clutch is first. Just clutch. Go all the way in.
That's it.
That's one clutch. But they want you to double clutch. But us, when you're going to do it, when you're going to get used to it, you're going to go obviously first to second to third. And the only reason you are to be able to push this in is because we're stopped right here.
Because we're stopped.
Or because we're going to have to clutch it off.
Double clutch is when you're working extra hard.
That's when you're working extra hard. That's when you're clutching to go into neutral, clutching to go into gear, clutching to go into neutral, clutching to go into gear.